Guys, this is a bit of an impromptu video. I just put my polished strut bar back on. Gave the bolts a bit of a repolish. It looks good now. If you remember before it was silver. Okay, not the best paint job, but enough until I can get a professional to do it all. Yeah, it looks nice in the bay, but that's not what I'm talking about here. I was just checking out this is the sound tube here. If you can see it. Sorry for the lighting, it's winter. Yeah, but it goes from the airbox, travels up around here and down into the firewall. There's a U-bend right there. You can see the plug. I'm highlighting it there. I just gave it a little tug just to see how hard it would be to pull out, and it actually just popped off, so I don't think it was actually in there. And I think it's already been plugged up in the cabin. I'll show you that in a tick. But yeah, so all I need to do now is take off this and find a plug, which I have, and unbolt it from here and unbolt it from there. So yeah, just going to get to that. We'll see how it goes. Cheers. Okay, this is how things usually go. I just wanted to polish some bolts, and now this is coming off. So things you'll also need: flathead screwdriver, and 10mm socket. There's two little clips. One I just pulled off, the other one I just squeezed together and pushed it off to remove from the bracket. I'm trying to remember where it was. This one here. Flathead screwdriver. Should be enough. It's very tight. Okay guys, and this is your sound tube. Do not throw this away, just in case you need it later on down the track there. It basically, from the air intake, it just funnels in sound. I guess some type of vortexy chamber thing, and this is the part that's actually in your firewall. And I'm pretty sure someone's already plugged mine, which is why this popped out so easily. It was just sitting in there. So I'll probably get a wash and yeah, just put this away for later on. I'm just going to polish these bolts and put those bolts back in where they were, and then I'll show you the result afterwards. Alright guys, cheers. guys, so I've had this for actually quite a while, and yeah, I wasn't going to do this today, but yeah, again, impromptu. So this is from Beatrush, Laile. Okay, this is the part number. That's an S, by the way. So Beatrush Sound Creator Canceller. So that sound tube that I just showed you is this one here. In the Japanese here we've got connector, hose, sound generator, which is the tube thing, and duct. So yeah, this is the thing we just removed, and yeah, stopped all that. And if you have a look here, this is the picture of the bay there being highlighted in the manual. Not only does it cut off all that nonsense, it also clears the engine bay up. I think it looks really nice. It's nicer. I can actually see down there now and clean. So yeah, it looks really good. So let's go. Actually, I'll just show you before we go put it in. I also got this card here. Pretty simple. This is what this is. Very nice piece here, beautifully finished. Look at that. So this is the plug that's going to go into that pipe. And basically it details it here, black and white photo. So what I did too was use the hairdryer to heat up the plastic just to make it a little bit easier. It was a bit difficult to get it out, the other one. Yeah, pretty well straightforward, so let's go do it. Oh, by the way, before we do go do it, this is the plug that came with it too, but I'm pretty sure someone's already plugged it in the car, so I'll keep this just in case. Very nice as well. The bolts too, just for future reference, we'll give these a bit of a clean and see how they turn up. A bit grimy and gross. Okay, slid right in. I'll show you a close up in a sec. We'll just tighten this up. I've got it all there. So it's not even until and there you go. Very nice finish there. I'll just go check the front floor well to see that it has been done, and I'll show you what's there. Just give me one tick. Okay guys, it appears, oops, you can see where I'm seeing. Where am I seeing? Ah, there. That's the plug. Okay, so it hasn't been plugged in like I thought it was, so I'll just go get the plug and stick it in now. It's getting dark, so I'm short for time. One moment. Okay guys, this is not the best setup, but yeah, bear with me. I'm going to try and get this in here, but the camera's in the way, so I might have to move it anyway. So if you see here, the small end goes in first. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, it seems to be too big to go any further. That wasn't easy, that was painful. Yeah, so there you go. Oh, while I'm here, we've also had, check out here, these are the actually, their factory LED illumination Footwell Illumination. These are actually red from the BRZ. I tried to make some footage for this, but just wasn't showing up on the camera. Maybe I'll try again at some other stage there. But yeah, I gotta go catch my breath. Cheers, guys. We just finished here at Autolinc and just got the car serviced. We're out the back here now, thanks to everybody. Okay, we've got the LED illuminations put in here as well, so once I get the new stuff on, I'll take you around, but that seems to be done. Alrighty guys, appreciate it, cheers. Autolinc. Okay, these came out really well, so I'm just going to go put these back. These were holding the sound tube down. And these are just a couple of bolts there, just thought I'd polish them while I was on there. These are on the front of the car, I'll take a picture later on. Alright guys, cheers. And there you have it guys. We've got rid of the sound pipe there now. Much clearer down here. I need to get the headers to show that off. Beatrush plug down here. Strut bar all painted. I've got to put back on the oil cap and the tie bar. I'll get around to that maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I wasn't meant to be doing all this. I polished up these two, they turned out alright. And this one here and yeah, this one here, just to make it all look nice. Nice little engine there. I like that I can see it all. Alright guys, and that's the Laile Beatrush sound generator plug. Alright, catch us later on. Cheers.